Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura, and today I wanted to share with you what I found in my P.O. box. You might remember that a while back I asked for some donations for Hug for Happiness for the Appalachian Ministries, and some of you came together and made some, and I passed them out right around Christmas time to Appalachian Ministries, which is a organization in Appalachia that helps the children and other people in the community because it's a really underprivileged community. They don't have much of anything. It's a very poor part of the country. They also have the option to sponsor a child on a monthly basis if you choose to do so. They sent me a Christmas card after they had received the hugs, and then today I got this card in the mail. And this says, "How many friends does it take to make you feel like the luckiest person in the world?" And then it says 1. That's so sweet. And it says, "We're sending a thank you for the wonderful hugs you sent us. The kids at our activities love them. We greatly appreciate your support of Appalachian Ministries. God bless." And I really appreciate you guys for coming together and for helping me send some of these hugs out to these really sweet kids. And they also sent me some pictures of the children, and I'll go ahead and put them in after this, but I did cover up their faces for privacy reasons, but you can see that they're holding the little hugs and they look so happy. I wish I could show you the smiles on their faces. I really do, but I'll go ahead and insert them here. The Hug for Happiness project is really dear to my heart, and I really thank all of you who have made some hugs for me to distribute to the different charities that I have chosen. So I will go ahead and link in the description box below more details about the Hug for Happiness project if you would like to join in. And I really do appreciate everyone who has participated thus far. And I hope that a few more of you will jump on the bandwagon with me. So with that being said, I hope everyone has a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And don't forget, I do go live every Tuesday and Friday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye!
If you like diamond painting, make sure you check out my other channel, Diamond Painting with Laura.